Single-walled aluminum water bottles are not just eco-friendly alternatives to plastic. They are versatile tools that can serve multiple purposes in everyday life and emergency situations. Here are 7 innovative ways to make the most out of your aluminum water bottle. 1. Hydration on the go. Keep your aluminum water bottle filled with water for hydration during walks, outdoor exercises, or long trips. It's essential to avoid storing acidic liquids, as they can damage the bottle or make you sick because of the chemical reaction. In emergencies, having water on hand can also help rinse your eyes, hands, or face from toxic substances you may encounter. 2. Boiling water over a campfire. With a simple loop of heat-resistant wire around the lip, you can easily retrieve your single-walled aluminum water bottle from a campfire with a stick or hang it over the flames from a tripod. Boiling water for at least 10 minutes can pasteurize it, making it safe for drinking or preparing hot beverages like coffee and tea. Additionally, you can use the bottle as a hand or foot warmer by placing it in a sock when the bottle is cool enough to handle. 3. Emergency hammer. In a pinch, your aluminum water bottle can double as a hammer for pounding stakes into the ground when setting up an emergency shelter. When filled with water, it can also serve as a self-defense tool when used in the same manner. Mini Faraday cage. Protect your memory sticks by wrapping them in insulating material, then in aluminum foil, and placing them inside your water bottle. For added protection, seal the top with aluminum HVAC tape. This simple setup can help safeguard your data from electromagnetic interference from solar flares, EMPs, or HEMPs. Please subscribe for the follow-up video on how to make a DIY Faraday cage from everyday objects. Transform your aluminum water bottle into a musical instrument by blowing across the top opening, producing a flute-like sound. You can adjust the pitch by adding or removing water, making it a fun addition to sing-alongs or jam sessions. Please like, subscribe, and share. Show others that you love and care. Use your aluminum water bottle as a roller to move heavy flat items short distances. For larger items, place multiple bottles side by side to create a makeshift roller system, similar to those found at airport security. Having an aluminum water bottle can provide peace of mind during a crisis. If you own multiple bottles, they can also serve as barter items in emergencies, allowing you to trade for essential supplies. Aluminum water bottles are more than just containers for hydration. They are eco-friendly, multifunctional tools that can enhance your daily life and prepare you for unexpected situations or emergencies. What other creative uses have you found for your aluminum water bottle? Share your thoughts in the comments below.